Hello friends, today I'm doing unboxing of sleeping bag from the North Face that I've got, which is another one. I've got this one is super cute and super warm, wow, and super big, but actually it has a little bit downside because I already tried it on and it seems like it's a little narrow. So I'm talking about this one, green Kazoo sleeping bag that I've got on sale. That's why I decided to pull the trigger. It's the North Face. It has these thingies here that you can make this part like around your head. It has, see how it's big and puffy? The green Kazoo is rated for how much? Somewhere here. Wow, minus 18 Celsius and 0 Fahrenheit. And it's built with 700 down Pro. Green Kazoo North Face. Comes with zipper. Zipper is only coming to this part, which is half of the bag, maybe a little longer. It's two-way zipper, so you can zip it here, and here is like another zipper that you can make hole to ventilate. So you can zip on top and leave out here. It has this thick layer here and you can keep your warmth here. It keeps you warm. Here it has the velcro that you can close, so it's like here it's closed with velcro, but I don't know if I would use it. Here it opens like so. See how it's nice and thick. And here you have pocket that you can put your phone or some other things like documents or keys when you're somewhere that you want to have it close to you. And the tags here. I've got the regular green Kazoo regular 78 inches. But let's see, I have also green Kazoo and it says the same 78, yeah. This one, green one, no, blue one is 800 grams and this one, how much? Wow, 1,355 grams. And it has that tabs here that you can attach to the pad when you sleep. It's nice and thick. Maybe I try it on, but wait. So let's try it on actually. I mean, let's go inside of it. But let's put this on our side. So wow, it's so fluffy. It's gonna love this. And then it goes like this. Can you see it? Here is the edge. Like so. Then I have to zip it. But it is little, when you zip it you feel like it's little, not much. Like this hand, this one, left one, and I put here. And I like to have hand like this, not like close to body. That's why and I will zip it here. It zips nice. Did I really zip it? No, because there's a bow. Okay, now it's bow. When I zip it, it's hard to fully zip because, man, what do you do with your hands? When I zip it fully, then I have to hide this hand. See, I'm 5 inches 8. No, 5 feet 8 inches, and it's hard to be fully zipped in it because I think this one is running small. Let's see. Okay, I have it on my head here. Then I have to hide my hand like so. And then I have to zip it. But it's hard to zip it fully. Because it's... how you zip it? It's hard. So I will not zip it to the end. Like this much will be not zipped. Because otherwise I don't know how people will do it. Because I think this one is... here it has too narrow part. See, this part is a little narrow here. I can show you now. Oh, when you stand, it's easier now. So you zip it here. Let's see. Oh, now it's easier. Almost. Okay, I'm almost zipped. This is how it looks on me. Wow. So it's easier to zip when you actually stand. Then you can sit in it. Wow, it's warm. Actually, it's warm. How people zip it for you? Like this. Then you can lay like so. But I think it's a little tight. I don't like that feeling. But it's a little tight. That's why this sleeping bag should be a little bit wider in this upper part of body. Or you can sleep with hands out. Because when you're fully in, it's a little tight and I like to have free hands. So, and I weigh about 175 pounds. 5 feet 8, and this sleeping bag is slightly like not comfortable because of the narrowness of this part. But you can actually, wow, see, feathers coming out. You can also sleep, maybe just, I was thinking maybe to sleep like this way, that I lay down like so and just have it open and cover myself with this part, like so, or like so, and have it like just like legs up here, and this zipper is open and you sleep like this. I'm more comfortable because this part is more wider now. You can be more wider with hands. There's more option like the sleeping home, like I'm in home now, when it's such option. But if you are in some colder place, then I guess you have to zip it. Then it's more restrictive. That's why. And this green Kazoo, no, gold Kazoo is more wide here in this part, that I can easily zip and be like zipped, and it's more, here it has more space. The seats, it's wider, and you can also, this one you can also open here a little bit on this side. It has zipper. See? Someone calling right back. This one, a gold Kazoo, has little bit zipper here on other side that you can unzip, so it's comfortable. And here it has zipper. And this green Kazoo don't have the second zipper, and it's more restrictive. More, if you have that fear of tight spaces, then I don't know if it's good, because it's narrow here. This gold one is better, or you can put your hands out, then it's fine. Okay, so that's it for unboxing this sleeping bag from the North Face. This was green Kazoo. It was also on sale, and now during Black Friday I have 15% additional off the sale. Okay, thank you for watching. Give thumbs up and subscribe for future videos. See you in the next one. Bye.
Pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil.